Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Monday.com for social media management. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Monday.com is a versatile project management platform widely employed in social media management. It serves as a hub where teams collaboratively plan, organize, and execute their social media strategies. Through its intuitive interface, Monday.com allows users to create boards akin to digital workspaces that facilitate the coordination of tasks, content creation, and scheduling. This platform enhances team efficiency by enabling easy delegation, monitoring process, and fostering communication among team members. In social media management, Monday.com helps streamline content creation, track publishing schedules, manage campaigns, and maintain an organized repository of files and assets. Its customizable templates, visual calendar views, and integration with popular tools aid social media professionals in efficiently orchestrating their campaigns, ensuring consistent branding, timely posts, and effective engagement with their audience. Now, to begin, go to Monday.com and sign up for free, or you can just click onto this Get Started button in here. Then, right after, just put in your details such as your email, or you can just continue with Google. So if you have an account already, you can see here onto the bottom part, just click onto this login button in here. And onto the login page, you can just simply add in your email address and then click on next, or you can sign in with your Google account as well. Then right after, you'll be headed onto Monday's dashboard. So this is actually your personal workspace, or also called the virtual command center, designed to keep your projects and tasks organized. At first glance, the workspace might seem overwhelming, but fear not, because it is intuitively organized. On the left-hand side, you'll find the main navigation menu where you can access your boards, integrations, and more. The central area is where the magic happens, your active board area where you'll build and manage your social media workflow. Now let's start in creating your workspace. So you'll just need to scroll down and onto the bottom of the screen, you'd be able to see the new workspace in here. So to create a new one, just simply click onto it. And here onto this part, you can update its name. So let's change the name of this to social media. Then onto this part, you can rename and delete this workspace. Also, you can add in a description in here. So let's put it in here. This is for my social media. And here onto the lower part, you can add in the members and the permission of the new workspace. But for this one, let's try to add in a template for your new workspace. So in the template library, you'll find an array of categories catering to different tasks and industries. Since we're all about social media, let's explore the marketing category. Keep an eye out for templates related to content planning, campaign management, or anything that aligns with your social media goals. So we could also make use onto this search bar on the top. So we just simply type in social media in there. And as you can see, we have one result that is related to social media planning. So you'll just need to simply click onto that. And onto this part, you'll see the different details that this template offers. So as you can see, it can create, schedule, and design all social media content in one visual workspace. So it can organize your upcoming content by platform, publish date, status, and more. And this template can also be integrated with Facebook Ad, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Creative Cloud Box, and also Dropbox. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see a quick preview onto what the template would look like. So I think we found the perfect template that resonates with your vision. So let's just select this, or let's simply click on to use template. Now once you're in, this is what your workspace would look like. So here on the upper part, you can see the notification, inbox, the invite members, the apps, the search bar, help center, and also the settings for your account. Now onto this part in here, you can customize its name to reflect your project's unique identity. Also, you can update the description onto this part in here. Just click on it, and as you can see in here, you can still see the description of the template. Now onto this part, you can see the main table, calendar, the files, the timeline, Kanban, word cloud, and ready to schedule. And onto this part, you can integrate this with other apps, and also you can add an automation in here. Now going back, you can see in here the new item, the search, the person's filter, sort, or hide. So you can add in a new item. Here's what you'll need to do. Just simply click onto that one, and then you can add in the item name in here. So here onto the search option. So let's try to search in here the new item that we've added. So this can help you easily find the items that you're looking for. Now another helpful tool or feature that we have in here is the hide tool. So you will see that all of your columns are automatically selected, meaning that they're currently all displayed on your board. So to hide columns, simply deselect the ones that you do not want to appear on your board. So creating this will help you organize more your workspace. You can also update the group's name in here. Just simply click onto it. Now, let's update this one to today since these are for days. Then right after, you can update the items. Just simply select on it. You'll have the options to open, move, duplicate, copy the name of it, copy the item link, add in a sub item, comment in here, create a new item below, archive, or delete it. So we'll just simply need to click on the delete and then delete again. So that is the way to remove an item. If you want to delete a column, just go onto the same detail. Just simply click onto the three dots in here, then head on to delete and then click on delete again to remove a column. Now to add in a new group, just simply click onto this button in here, then rename it to your preferred name. So let's call it months, and then we'll add item in here. So let's add month 1, add another month 2, add another month 3, and then right after, let's go over to the details onto each item. So to go over its detail, just simply click onto it, and then right after, you'd be able to see an option in there to add in some update. So we could try adding in here, write a Facebook post, and then you can see around to the top part the different text filters, and also you can add files, GIF, emoji, and mention. Also here onto the post, you can add in reaction, or your team members can add in a reaction for this, and they can also reply to your update. And then right after here on the upper part, your team members or you can also add in file for your item, and also you can view the activity log in here. And now you can also invite team members in here to collaborate and manage tasks with you. So you just need to simply click onto this invite option in here. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the world of Monday.com for social media management. Armed with a powerful platform, you're now equipped to conquer the challenges of planning, executing, and optimizing your social media efforts. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on our next video.